Raindrops fall on the empty street, echoes of your footsteps beneath my feet. The night is heavy with what we've lost, a quiet storm, an endless cold. I feel the weight of every word unsaid, the memories rising like the dead. The silence cuts sharper than a knife, a hollow echo of our life. Through silent rain I hear your name, every drop a reminder of the pain, every heartbeat lost in the night. I reach for you but you're out of sight. Silent rain, wash me away. The city sleeps, but I can't let go. I feel your presence in every shadow, a fleeting warmth that's long since gone. I trace the rain and move along. I feel the weight of every word unsaid, the memories rising like the dead. The silence cuts sharper than the night, a hollow echo of our life. Through silent rain I hear your name, every drop a reminder of the pain, every heartbeat lost in the night. I reach for you but you're out of sight. Silent rain, wash me away. Maybe the storm was always meant to stay, a quiet grief that won't decay. Even in darkness I feel your flame, a fleeting light that calls my name. Through silent rain